Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a real estate agent, a homeowner, or a photographer, you know that the right photos can make all the difference when showcasing a property. In today's video, we'll cover the best real estate photo shoot ideas to make your listings stand out and attract more buyers. Let's dive into these simple yet impactful tips to elevate your real estate photography game. The best time to shoot real estate photos is during golden hour, early morning, or late afternoon, when the natural light is soft and warm. It helps to create a welcoming, inviting atmosphere. If you can, try shooting during the blue hour, just before sunrise or after sunset, for stunning twilight shots that show off the property's exterior and lighting. Before picking up the camera, it's crucial to declutter and stage the property. Less is more when it comes to photography. Remove personal items, tidy up the space, and add some stylish accents like throw pillows or artwork. Proper staging not only highlights the property's best features but also makes the space feel more inviting. Make sure to highlight the best features of the property. Whether it's a chef's kitchen, a gorgeous backyard, or unique architectural details like crown molding, be sure to frame them in a way that makes them shine. Use wide-angle shots to show the flow and spaciousness of rooms, and take close-ups of special features that set the property apart. Angles are everything in real estate photography. Experiment with different angles, shoot from low to capture more of the room, or use high angles to show a grand perspective. Make sure to keep lines straight and symmetrical for a clean, professional look. Creative compositions, like framing a shot through doorways or windows, can add depth and interest to your photos. Lighting can make or break your photos. Use natural light whenever possible, and make sure all the lights in the room are on to add warmth and brightness. If you're photographing a room at night, consider using additional lighting like floor lamps, table lamps, or even softbox lights to brighten up dark corners. After the shoot, the editing process is where you can really make your photos pop. Adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation to enhance the colors. Make sure to straighten the lines and remove any distracting elements in the background. Be careful not to over-edit, aim for natural, true-to-life images that represent the property accurately. There you have it, our best real estate photo shoot ideas to help your listings stand out. With these tips, you can create stunning images that will capture the attention of potential buyers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more photography tips,